Hello everyone, another work trip for me, and I'm now in Philippines. I'm at the Peninsula Hotel in Manila. So actually I'm lucky because I think this is the only Peninsula Hotel in the world that could fit in my corporate budget to be staying for work. So I'll explain in a while. So I would do the room tour first. So coming in, I got a corner room. It's the Grand Deluxe room. So this is a closet. When I walk in, with good size safe deposit box, and then with 2 pairs of slippers, and then also an umbrella because it's rainy in Manila in the summertime. Okay, then on my left is the bathroom. So they do have the bathtub, and then with the spa menu. This is their hair dryer, and then the amenities. They have their own Peninsula brand, and then the toilet, as well as the stand-up shower. So again, as I say, they have their own Peninsula brand for shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And you can see this is a pretty good size stand-up shower as well. And then with 2 lovely, fluffy rope. Okay, so this is the luggage area. And this is the corner room. This is the Grand Deluxe King room. So because of the corner and because it's on the 10th floor, you can see there's a lot of greens and very bright, which I love. So looking back, it's actually a king size bed. It's all newly renovated because last time before COVID, I stay here. The room is not like this. Although the hotel is a little old in a way, but because of the renovation they just completed, I think during the COVID time, it's pretty new and pretty good. So you know, with the thick mattress, the linen, very clean, very comfortable. And this is the work desk. And then this is the welcome, and then a handwritten note, which is very nice from the general manager. And I will explain in a bit. So this is very good for work because of the work desk. They have the stationery. They have the letterhead, the letter, the postcard, as well as a shopping bag. And then the TV size is okay, and they put it on the corner, which is well-used space. And then this is the mini bar. Of course, you have to pay for it, but then it's quite comprehensive with all the drinks and snacks, with the crystal glasses, the tea and coffee mugs, and then the coffee, a small coffee machine here, as well as the ice bucket over here. So this is basically the Grand Deluxe corner room, which actually I got upgraded. So now I'm going to explain. I booked this under the American Express 5 Hotels and Resorts program. So what it entitled me is flexible time. So I actually check in at 12:30 and they can give me a room upgrade upon arrival, which they upgrade me from this basic deluxe room, which is the entry-level room, to the Grand Deluxe corner room. And then very important, It's the Gallery Club XX. Actually, that was not even mentioned on the Amex travel website. So it's a nice surprise that they provide club access, so which doesn't only include breakfast, but include afternoon tea and as well as the evening cocktail. And then Wi-Fi as well as the complimentary 60-minute massage. So like for 2%. So actually I tried to book it for the spa because I want to test out the facility, but they say that it is only for in-room. So if I want to use the spa, use the massage in the spa facility, I can upgrade to 90 minutes, and which I did. So after I finish all the meetings tomorrow, I will go to the spa facility and have a 90 minutes massage. So that was a very good deal to book this hotel, the Peninsula Manila, under the Amex Platinum Fine Hotels and Resorts program. So I think the Gallery Club access is one of the key points because it's newly renovated. I just went there to take a look. It's different from what I went to before. It's very, very nice. So I'm going to show that to all of you in a second. So this is the Gallery Club at the Peninsula in Manila, and this is their afternoon tea from 2 to 4 every day.